In this video, we will learn how to use Google Translator in Google Sheet for change the language as Hindi. So let's start how it's done. You can see here, this is my Google Sheet. I just write here name. If I want to convert this in Hindi language, just is equal to in caps, just write Google Translator. Google Translate tab, select the text, then comma, double quote, write the en for English, again double quote, comma, in double quote, hi, double quote, bracket close, just enter. If you write here name, Ram, Sita, Sachin, Ramesh, now just drag this formula, just drag this formula. Again, I just write Ram, they are not taking. Okay, no issue, Ramesh. There was something error, but it getting the most of the same data, but it's sometimes it's coming the difficult name, the Google Sheet not giving the proper data, but you just try it. Most of the time it's get the correct data in translate by using the Google Translator. Okay, hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.